Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're a crazy plant and cat lady like I am, then you're gonna love this perfect combination of both in this ceramic planter. I got this from Koolkatkoo, and it could not be more adorable. But beyond that, it's really functional too. So this is an 8-inch pot. It has a small drainage hole and a plate that comes with it. This is great for indoor or outdoor use. And I decided not to overcrowd my plants to give them room to grow. I have loved placing this in several different areas of my home. This comes really well packaged, which ensures that you won't have any damage when you get it. The little cat face on it is really simple. I like that a lot because it doesn't appear cartoonish, but it still gives me that little cat vibe that I absolutely want to be able to decorate with. This little planter pot gives me a smile every time I look at it. It would make the perfect gift for the cat person in your life, or just get it for yourself if you're like me. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.